Hello everyone, so welcome to the second devlog of the Dinosaurs United, and here also I am going to share a quick update about some of the stuff that I have been working on the game in the last couple of weeks after the previous devlog I shared with you guys. So in case you haven't seen any of the videos on Dinosaurs United, this is the story of brave dinosaurs who are working to prevent their extinction from the oncoming comet towards Earth. Here, one visionary dino is going to unite all the dinosaurs in the world to make a super weapon to destroy the oncoming comet that is going to hit the Earth and destroy all life in the planet Earth. So the main feature I'd like to highlight in this devlog is the character upgrade system. And you already know that we can beat down other dinosaurs in the world and recruit them into our side so that we can control them and use them to build the world, build the technologies and everything that we need in the journey of developing a super weapon. So I am planning to have two types of upgrades for the character in the game: weapon upgrade and arm upgrade. Now you might wonder, why do we need weapons and armors if their goal is to develop technology and build a super weapon? So in order to develop technology, dinos needs access to various type of resources which are scattered throughout the earth, and each of these areas are occupied by other dinosaurs with a giant boss dinosaur for each area. And players' team will have to face these dinosaurs and conquer these areas and defeat them, including the boss, to gain access to those resources and convince them to help for their cause. So that's why we need weapons and armors in this game. And at the moment, for the upgrade system, I have only implemented weapon upgrade. So for the guardasaurus, which is the name I have given for the character based on Trex, he's going to be sort of like a guard, so that's why the name guardasaurus. And the first level of weapon available for the guardasaurus is a mounted crossbow. And when we select guardasaurus in the game, in the character details panel here, we see the option to upgrade the weapon tier. As the tooltip, it will also show the cost to upgrade to next weapons tier. And also, if some technology or something is blocking from upgrading, it will show that too. And once the guardasaurus is equipped with the mounted crossbow, it will start shooting arrows towards enemies nearby and damage them. So this is the guardasaurus equipped with the mounted crossbow in action. Now it has two ways of attacking enemies for both close range and long range, and this will be especially effective against flying enemies that we meet later on the game. So for those of you who are more eager to learn about the implementation or the programming side of the mounted crossbow, this is how it works. You know, in Unreal AI framework, we already have a very advanced AI perception system that includes sensing systems for AI such as sight and noise perception. But here I decided to go with a very basic implementation than relying on the complicated AI system or the framework that we already have, because I wanted to keep things as simple as possible at this stage to save development time and to save performance. So with that said, this is how I implemented it. So the mounted crossbow has two modes of operation. It can either work independently from the character who is wielding it, or it can be directed by the character. So when it works on its own, that means the independent mode, if the fire at will mode is active for the character, when it wants to fire a shot, first it will do a spear trace to determine nearby actors, and out of those determined actors from the spear trace, enemy characters will be filtered out. Then one of the enemies will be chosen randomly and shoot an arrow towards the enemy character. So as the crossbow has a low fire rate, performance wise doing this would not be expensive, because it's not like we are doing a trace and doing the aforementioned operation for each frame, so it's fine for performance. And when it is directed by the character who is wielding it, the shoot target will be given by the character based on the current target the guardasaurus is going to attack. But this is something that I haven't worked on yet, and I will share that when I have it. So the next weapon available for the guardasaurus is the machine gun. Just like we upgraded to the mounted crossbow using this button, player can upgrade into the next tier of weapon using the same button, but it will have a different and a higher cost than the crossbow. Also, the type of resources required to craft the mounted gun would be different. So I already have a basic model for the mounted gun, but still it is not fully operational, so I'm not going to show a demonstration of it. So but I will be sure to share that once I have it fully operational. And alright guys, so that's it for today, and I'd like to remind you to add the game Dinosaurs United into your wish list. Game page is live in Steam, link is in the description below. So thanks for watching, see you guys in another devlog. Goodbye.